Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We did this one. Now let us continue. Solve this. X equal x plus f of t. If this is a, this is f. Oh, he gave me e to the power at. As I said, this is usually what will happen in the exams. Okay. So what I need, yeah, xc. What will be the solution? The general solution. Okay. It will be xc plus xp. And what is xc? Since I have e to the power at, that will be e to the power at times c, which is this times this, okay, plus e to the power at integral is minus at f of t at. Okay, so this is actually is there. So I need to find this. Okay, so what will be e is minus at ht? I'll change it to minus t. Let me see what will happen. I have 1 minus 3t. This is will be t minus minus t minus 9t 1 plus 3t. Okay. Now what is e minus at capital F of t as a product? That will be this matrix times f of t, which is what, 7 and 5. I'll be careful of the calculation. I have 7 minus 21t plus 5t. Okay. This one is minus 63t. Minus 9 times 7 minus 63 plus 7 plus 21t, which is what? 7 minus 16t. Okay. And what is that? This is 7. Okay. Plus what? 21 minus 63. That will be 42. 42, yes. Minus 42t. Okay. That will be e minus 80 times f of t. Just I did the product. Nothing is there. Be careful. 7 minus 21 plus 5. And then 7 times minus 9 plus 5. No. Be careful here. This times this. So it's plus 5 plus 15t. Yeah. So this will be 5 plus or minus what? Minus what? 15. Yeah, minus 63. Yeah, 15 minus 63. That will be 48. 48t. Yeah. Is it? Yeah, 48 plus 15 will give me 63. Good. Now I need to integrate this. Be careful with the calculation. I did this times this, huh? So 7 minus 21 plus 5t minus 63 plus 5 plus 15t. Oh, good. This is the integral of this. It means I need to integrate that. Yeah, let me do it quickly. That will be 7t minus 8t square. Yeah, 16 over 2 is minus 8t square. Okay. And this one is what? 5t minus 24t square. Plus minus, is there a problem? Let me check. Now, yeah, integrate this 72 minus 8t squared. That will be minus 16t. 5t minus, okay. So what will be xb? It will be EAT times this. Integral a minus at f of t dt. Yeah, let me do the product now. That will be complicated. 1 plus 3t minus t, 90, 1 minus 3t times this. Yeah, let me see what will happen. Yeah, that will be what? 70t, 70, okay, plus 21t square. Oh, very clear, I need more space. So I need to multiply this by this. So I have 70, okay, minus 8t square plus 21t squared. Let me do it in details. Minus 24 t cubed. Okay. And this times this, minus 5t squared, minus 5t squared, plus 24 t cubed. Okay. That will be what? Yeah. Let me check now the other one. That will be 63 t squared. This times this, huh? Minus 72 t cubed. Okay. This times this. Then I need this times this. Yeah, be careful here. What you will get? Plus 5t minus 24 t square minus 15 t square. Okay. And plus 72 t cubed. Yeah. That will be what? Be careful here. This cancelled. Good. I have 70. 70. Then I have what? 21 minus 8 minus 5. 21 minus 13 plus 8 t squared, which is this one. Good. Now, this one will be what? Cubed cancelled. Oops. T, I have 5t only. Then I have what? Minus 24 minus 15. That is what? Minus 39. Plus 24, that can be 63. So that will be plus 24 t squared. So it will be my general solution. X will be xc, which is E times C1, C2 plus this one. Okay, that's good. Easy one. I can finish this quickly. No problems. Okay. Now we have the same problem, but now he add to it condition, initial condition. And you want me to find the answer. Okay. I have, this is my x of t, the general solution. So I have, sorry, x at 0 will be what? Substitute 0, you have 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1 times C1, C2. Okay. I substitute t equals 0, correct? It's x at 0, yes. Plus what? Plus 0, 0. Plus 0, 0. And that should equal to what? 3 and 5. Yeah. When you have t equals 0, I have everything 0 here, huh? And here 0, here 0, here is 1, here is 1. Okay. So very easy one. That give me C1 equals 3, C2 equals 5. Done. So it will be my xt. It will be e to the power at, which is this 90. Actually, it's here. No need to go back and forth. Times 3 and 5 plus xb, which is 70 plus 80 square. And what is the other one? 5t plus 24 t square. Yeah, now do the calculation. Be careful here. It will be 3 plus 90 minus 5t plus 70 plus 8t square. This is will be 27t plus 5 minus 15t plus 5t plus 24t square. And that will be what? 3. Yeah, 9 plus 7, 16 minus 5, that is 11t plus 8t square. This one will be what? 5 plus. I have minus 15. This is minus 10 plus 27. So it's plus 17 plus 24t square. What is this? As I said, usually we are giving e to the power at. So that will make the calculation easier. Now let me go to the old exam questions. As I said, we have e to the power at. Okay. And you want me to find xp. I need to find only xp, nothing else. Huh? xp will be e to the power at integral e minus at f of t dt. Okay. Yeah, this condition will not make a difference. Okay. So I need es minus at. That will be 1 minus 2t, 4t minus t, 1 plus 2t. What is e minus at times f of t? Yeah, they do it in steps. Don't rush it. And be careful with the calculation. 2 and 1. That will be what? 2 minus 40 plus 40. Nice. Yeah, it is 2 minus 40 plus 40. Okay, and that is minus 2t plus 1 plus 2t. Nice. That will be 2, 1. So it's the integral of this. As I said, usually in the exam, the calculation will be easier. 2t and t. Yeah, I can write plus c and use this, where we'll get all of these c's as a constant integration will be gone. Okay, so xb, it will be eat and this integral. That will be, what is e to the power at? 1 plus 2t, t, 1 minus 2t times 2t and t. That give me what? Be careful here, 2t plus 4t square minus 4t square. And there we have 2t square minus t. No, plus t minus 2t square. Cancelled, cancelled, cancelled. So we are getting 2t and t. What will be xb at 1? That will be 2, 1. You want xb at 1. So this is my answer. Use variation parameter to find the particular solution for the non-homogeneous equation. So this is my f of t. He gave me xc. So xc will give us what? So I have phi of t will be, this is my first solution, and this is my second solution. So I have phi of t, which is 2et, at, e2t, e2t. So I can find xp to be what? Phi of t integral by inverse of t, f of t dt. Okay, let me do the calculation. That will give me what? I need to find phi inverse. I need to find the determinant of phi of t. And that is what? E3t. So it will be phi inverse of t. That will be e minus 3t. What about the determinant? Okay, I swap these and do minus here. Okay, let us see what will happen. I have e minus t. Okay, minus e minus t. Okay, minus e minus 2t. Okay, 2e minus 2t. Now I need to find phi inverse of t times f of t. That will be e minus t minus e minus t. And what is f? F is et minus et. Okay, that give me what? This times this. This is 1 minus plus 1. Okay, good. What's e to the power? Yeah, 0 is 1. And this one will be what? Minus e is minus t minus 2. So that give me minus 3 e plus minus t. Now we need to find the integral of that. Which easily can be, so that's it, can't do it right away. 2t and 3e is minus t. Okay. What is xp then? Xp will be phi, which is all of this, times this integral, 2t, 3e minus t, using this formula. So this is what I get here, times phi. And I need to find it at 1. You can do it 4t et plus 3 et, and this one 2t et plus 3 et. So it will be xp at 1. That will be 4e plus 3e. And they have here 2e plus 3e, which give me 7e, 5e. As I said, during the exams, calculations are easier. Now I have e to the power 80, and you want me to find the particular solution given this. Okay. So I need to do the calculation. I need, yeah, what will be xp? It will be e80 integral e minus at f of t dt. Okay. What will be e minus at? That will be cosine minus t, which is the same. Sine will be the minus sign, so that will become sine t. And this one is minus sine t. And this one will be the same, cosine t. Okay. I need to find e minus at times f of t. Do it in steps. That will make you. So I have this times that. That will be 1. Okay. And the other one, minus sine t sec t. In other words, it's 1 minus tan t. Now we need to find the integral of this. Integral of 1 is t. Integral of tan is minus ln cosine, so that will be ln. Yeah, I need the absolute value. Cosine of t. Okay. So it will be x of b. Will be phi of t times this. Now let us do the calculation. What is that? Cosine t minus sine t, sine t, cosine t times t, then cosine t. Yeah, that gave me what? T cosine t minus sine t, ln. Yeah, he put 0, a t between pi over 2, so I have cosine t. No need for the absolute value. Did not notice that. It's okay. Then I have t sine t plus cosine t, ln cosine t, which is this answer. Let equal this and consider this. Given that, so this is my x, this is my f of t, huh? Because this is x prime equal ax plus f of t. He gave me e to the power at, and he want what? He want the particles. He want xp. Xp will be what? E to the power at integral e minus at f of t dt. Okay, so let me find e is minus at, where I change each t to minus t. This is minus 2t e minus t. This is minus 3t plus 2t squared is minus t. This is 0 e minus t. This is minus 2t is minus t. 0, 0 is minus t. Now I need to find this. I'm doing it in steps to be sure. So I have what? E minus t. Zero, zero. E minus t times f of, which is 0, 1, 0. I think that will make it easier. So multiply this by this, I have minus 2t minus t. I need only the second column. Here, e is minus t, 0. Okay, correct. And this give me the second, I need the second column. Okay, so what will be the integral now of this? Which is the integral of this. And that will be 0 minus e is minus t. Here I need by parts or the tabular. So I have minus 2t and e minus t. So this is minus 2, 0, minus e, and e is minus t. So that give me what? That give me, this is plus, this is minus. I have 2t e minus t plus 2 is minus t. Okay. That's what I get. Yeah, is that correct? Differentiate. What you will get? 2e minus t. And minus 2e minus t cancelled. And you have minus 2t is minus t. Correct. Okay. So no need for this. I need the space. So my xp will be what? Oops. Will be 5t, which is this. All of this. Yeah, you need to be careful with the calculation. CT. Times this, which is write it a little bit down. That will be 2t e minus t plus 2 e minus t minus e minus t 0. Okay. Now, first row times the first column, you will get what? 2t plus 2 minus 2t. E to the power t times e is minus t gone, huh? Times 0. This first one. This one will be minus 1. And that one will be 0 times 0 times 0. That will be 0. So I have 2 minus 1, 0, which is this answer. Good. I say it's kind of calculation. Just you follow these formulas and numbers will not be complicated. Okay. He gave me this. You want the solution of the initial value problem. Okay. Yeah, this is maybe needs a little bit of calculation. Let me see. This is f of t. Okay. So xp, yeah, xc will be EATC. That is easy. XB will be what? Will be EAT, the formula, EAT f of t dt. Yeah, let me do this in one step. Let me try that. See what will happen. And change everything into, so just the sign, I need to change its sign. Its sign. This is will be sine 3t. The cosine, no need, because cosine is an even function. Times f of t, which is 1, 1. That give me what? Cosine minus sine. And this is sine plus cosine. Okay. So that will give me what? Now we need to find the integral of this. Let me call it I. No need to rewrite it again. That will be what? Yeah, be careful here. It will be 1 over 3. What's the integral of cosine? Sine 3t. And this is plus 1 over 3 cosine 3t. You can differentiate to be sure. And this one you have what? You have minus 1 over 3 cosine 3t. And plus 1 over 3 sine 3t. Now I need EAT XB when it multiply this by this. So let me do it in one step. First row times this. I have what? 1 over 3 cosine 3t sine 3t plus 1 over 3 cosine squared 3t. This one will multiply by sine minus 1 over 3 cosine 3t sine 3t plus 1 over 3 sine squared 3t. Cancel, this is cancelled, this is 1 over 3. Sine squared plus cosine squared is 1, which is nice. Okay. Now I need the second row times this. I have what? Minus 1 over 3 sine squared 3t. Okay. No, be careful, be careful. I have minus sine times this. Times the, yeah, minus 1 over 3 is what I wrote before was correct. This will divide by the first element. Huh? Minus 1 over 3 sine 3t cosine 3t. Now, minus 1 over 3 cosine square 3t plus 1 over 3 sine 3t cosine 3t. This is cancelled. So I'm getting what? 1 over 3 and minus 1 over 3. Nice. That will be my XB. So my general solution, X will be XC, which is XC plus XB. And that is, yeah, cosine 3t sine 3t minus sine 3t cosine 3t times C1, C2. plus xb, which is 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Okay. I need to find C1 and C2. Using this, x at 0 will be what? Will be 1, 0, 0, 1 times C1, C2 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3. That should equal to 0, 0. So I'm getting what? I'm getting C1 plus 1 over 3 equals 0. And C2 minus 1 over 3 is equal to 0. So C1 minus 1 over 3 and C2 1 over 3. So what will be my answer now? Yeah, be careful now. So my answer, solution will be what? This is C1 minus 1, and this is plus, yes. So I have this times that. That will be C1, which is minus 1 over 3 cosine 3t, plus C2 times plus 1 over 3 sine 3t plus 1 over 3. Second row will be minus times minus, that will be 1 over 3 sine 3t, plus 1 over 3 times C2, which is plus 1 over 3 cosine 3t minus 1 over 3. If I take 1 over 3 as a common factor from everything, I have what? 1 minus cosine 3t plus sine 3t. And this one will be minus 1 plus cosine 3t plus sine 3t, which is this one. Yeah, I think we did a good number of questions, which show to us it's when it go to the old exams, things will go smoother. Things will go smoother. So let me stop. I don't like to have long videos, so let me stop this. And then I'll do, well, I think we have time. So let me do more. Sorry. Yeah. Since I think we can do more. Okay. Now what will happen in this case? Yeah, you want me to solve it. No, this will be a little bit lengthy. Yeah. So I have A 3 minus 3, 2 minus 2. I need to find everything to do it. Yeah, so I have absolute value A minus lambda. Is it important? I don't think so. A squared will be what? That give me what? This one, 9 minus 6. It's not important. Okay. Yeah, so I need to go to the long way, which is not usual in an exam. It will be what? Lambda square, 2 lambda minus 3 minus lambda plus 6. Yeah, minus 6 plus 6, that will be 0. So you have lambda times lambda minus 1 equals 0. So lambda 0 and 1, or lambda equals 0. You want xb, yeah, can be. You have what? 3 minus 3, 2 minus 2. Let me try to do it quickly. So very clear, I have k1 equal k2. So v1 will be 1, 1, and x1 will be 1, 1, e to the power 0, which is 1. Now for lambda equal 1, what you will get? You'll get 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 0, 0. So you have 2k1 minus 3k2 equals 0, or we say k1 equals 3 over 2k2. So I let v2 will be 3,2, and x2 3,2 e to the power t. Okay, so my 5t will be what? 1, 1, and that will be 3et, 2et. Yeah, the question should be like this. By the way, this is my f, huh? This is my f of t. And this is a, which is 3 minus 3, 2 minus 2, x. Yeah, okay. So now I need to find phi inverse of t. Yeah, I need to first find the determinant of phi. And that will be what? 2 minus 3, which is minus e to the power t, minus e to the power t. Yeah. Basically, write it the other way. Or now, what will be phi inverse of t? That will be minus e is minus t. This switch it. This is change the sign as usual. That will be what? Minus 2, 3, minus e is minus t, minus e is minus t. Now I need phi inverse times f. That will be what? I can do it right away. This f is what? Let me write f of t in front of me. 4 and minus 1. Be careful, there is 4 and minus 1. Okay. So this first row times the column, you have minus 8. That will be minus 11. Okay. And then the second row times, yeah, second row times the column, I have minus 4 plus 1. So it's minus 3. E is minus t. Now I need to find xb will be phi of t. Call this I times I. Oh, not I, call it what? Y, capital Y. So this is times capital Y. So that will be what? Phi of t. Let me list it. No. Be careful. I need to find the integral first. The integral of that. Yeah, no need. Integral. This is, we call it y. The integral of phi inverse of t, f of t dt. That will be what? Minus 11t. And this is 3e is minus t. Yeah. Okay. Now I need xb will be phi of t times this y. And that will be 1, 1, 3et, 2et. I hope I have the calculation correct. Times this. Let me see what will happen. That this one, that will give me minus 11t. Seems there's a minus sign somewhere. Okay. Minus 11t. This plus 9. First row times the column. It will be minus 11t plus 9. And this is minus 11t plus 6. Yeah. Seems there is a mistake somewhere. Let me double check. 3 minus 3, 2 minus 2. 3 minus lambda minus 3, 2 minus 2 minus lambda. Lambda square minus lambda minus 6 plus 6. That will be 0. For lambda equals 0. Yeah, k1 equal k2. Easy. For lambda equal 1, 2 minus 3. So 2k1 minus 3k2. So k1 equal 3 over 2k2. So I let K2 2, K1 will be 1, 3, 2, ET. This will be correct. I double check it. Am I right? Yeah, 3 ET, 2 ET, 1, 1. Now 5T, 2 minus 3, that will be minus E of T. The inverse reciprocal of this, minus E is minus T. This and this, yeah, this is minus, sorry. Yeah, so this will be minus 2, minus, that will be 3. This will be plus. Minus sign, make a big problem. Phi inverse times F of T. Yeah. First row times that will be minus 11. Good. Second row times this, it will be what? 4 is minus T plus. So that will make it 5. So this is will be minus 3, minus 5. No, this is minus 5. Yeah, I think now it's correct. Yeah, it's instead of sign. That will be minus 15. And this is minus 10. Which is this one, very clear. Yeah. Just a minus sign, make all of this problem. Alhamdulillah, none of the answers are there. Okay, that's good. So let me do this one. Cosine hyperbolic, this is e to the power at. And this is f of t. Yeah, so what is xb? xb will be what? Will be e to the power at integral e minus at f of t dt. Okay, what is e is minus at? Yeah, be careful now. Let me multiply times f of t at the same time. But let me find it. Cosine is even function, so it will be okay. This is minus sine hyperbolic t. This is minus sine hyperbolic t. Cosine hyperbolic t. This is times this, cosine hyperbolic t, sine hyperbolic t, which is f of t. Okay. By the way, he did not give me a. I don't need a to do all of this calculation. Okay, now do the calculation. That will be what? Cosine hyperbolic square minus sine hyperbolic square. Okay. Cosine hyperbolic square minus sine hyperbolic square. And the second one is minus sine hyperbolic. No, first row times this. Cosine hyperbolic minus sine hyperbolic. And the second one will be minus sine hyperbolic t, cosine hyperbolic t, plus cosine hyperbolic t, sine hyperbolic t. This is 0. Interesting. Okay. Now what will be the, yeah, this one. This one is what? Is 1. We know what it's 1. Okay, interesting. So it will be the integral of that. That will be t and 0. Now xb will be e to the power at, which is this. Times t and 0. Yeah, that easy. That will be t cosine hyperbolic t plus 0 and t sine hyperbolic t. Yeah, I think enough. We'll do more examples in the next video, inshallah. Let me stop the recording. I think we did a good number of problems. Yeah, I will stop the recording. Thank you.